Take your merch and Teespring store to the next level using all of Placeit's online tools. Create logos, design templates, social media assets, ads, and take advantage of all of Placeit's product mockups to build your store. Share your designs and promote your brand, just like a pro. Smart templates make design easy. Create beautiful designs for your Teespring products within seconds using Placeit's creative and on-trend smart templates. They are super easy to use, and there are over 7,000 current templates to choose from. Once you've created and downloaded your design, head back to the Teespring launcher to create your products and start promoting. This all can be done in just minutes. Mockups are a simple way to quickly boost your brand's appearance across your social channels when promoting a new design or product. You don't need to hire a photographer or a designer to create stunning lifestyle imagery. In just a few clicks, you can make dozens of professional photos that will have your designs looking just incredible. Once you've created your products in the Teespring launcher, head back to Placeit to start generating some mockups for promotion. Give your brand a boost with a few clicks. Choose from thousands of stunning professionally designed ad templates to promote your products across all your social media platforms. They are ridiculously easy to modify, and the generator lets you take one design and with a single click download images formatted for every platform. Banner Maker, Instagram posts, Instastories, Facebook ads, you name it and we got it. Brand your store and channel in no time. Create a brand new logo for your brand. Or, if you are a YouTube creator or a Twitch streamer, it might be time for a brand refresh. Each logo template has hundreds of graphic options, fonts, and elements that can be easily edited to create a unique and iconic logo that's perfect for your brand. With just a few clicks, you can create a just stunning and amazing logo. Placeit is the best online tool that will help to create marvelous and perfect marketing assets. Our growing library are made by professional designers and photographers, leaving you the fun part of customizing. No extra software. Just click directly from your browser and start creating your images.